Hi everyone, welcome back once again to another brand new video. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of an e-commerce website which I have built for you. It's locked down right now and many of you are very concerned that how you going to sell your own product. Right now, you might be selling through Amazon, eBay, and Flipkart, but having your own website will help you to grow your brand. So I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough of a website, e-commerce website, which I have built for you. So you can create the same one, or if you want, I would help you to create that website for you, and you can start selling your product right on your own website. You can take payment, sell, listing, everything you can do right on your website. So enough of talking, let me take you to my computer screen and show you the website which I have built for you. It's fully customizable, so let's start with the video. So as you can see that this is the website which I have built for all of you. If you want to sell any kind of product, you can use this website. It has all the feature, all the functionality. I've tried to include everything which you can have on your e-commerce store. So this is the website which I have built. So you can scroll down everything. It has a beautiful design, beautiful layout. All the color schemes are absolutely amazing. You can check it everything. So let me explain you and give you an overview that what are the features, what are the things I have included in that. So as you can see, when you come to this website, you will find that this is the home page of the website, and here I have created 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 menus. So one home, store, man, for women, accessories. So you can create multiple menu as per your product. Like if you have many products, you can create multiple menus like this, or you can create sub menus. And here, as you can see, add to cart. So I have already added one product into my cart, so it's displaying there. So as you can see, it has all the feature. You can easily change this text, and you can change this offer. You can just click on this and it will go to the shop page, and here you can display the testimonials. I have added scroll bar, so you can add anything which you want. And here you can save display the category of the product. Like as you can see here, I'm displaying women's for the discounts, for man's shoes, so you can do that as well. So anybody wants to check for man collections, they can click and they can check that as well, which I'm going to cover later in this video. And if you scroll down, here are the feature products, which means like when you upload your product, you will get an option to make any product feature. So if you make any product feature, so you can able to display those all product right here. You can even customize with the name, man. As you can see, the price, star in stars. So you can decide that what you have to display and what not. If you want to hide this star or hide this pricing or this category, you can do that as well. So here you can see that here I have tried to promote any kind of brands. Like you can promote anything. Here I have tried to display this women, and here I'm trying to provide some additional offers. You can do that as well. Here you can see this is a call to action, buy now, so with some extra coupon code which you can do. And I just created this website in keeping in that mind that I have to let the visitor to buy to my product. So this is the call to action which I have included. And again, I'm just providing some of the information about the website. Like I will ship the product in worldwide, best quality they will get best offer, and their information is completely secure. So whatever data they're going to fill, it's completely secure. And here I have added some quick links like home, about, my account, cart page, contact us. And here you can display the categories like women, tops. So all the categories which, like whatever category you want to display, you can display right here. And from here also, from this one is for man, this one is for women's. And if you have your own application on any one of these platforms like Apple Store or Google Play Store, you can display these icons, or if you don't have, you can easily remove that. And this is the credit section which you can easily edit as per your brand. So this is the home page of this e-commerce website. If I click any of this store page, if I go to the store page, so this is how the store page is going to look. So here I try to add the best selling products. So if anybody wants to search any product, they can easily search right from here. They can type the category or the product name and they can search. And here I have tried to include the categories of accessories like man, women, and accessories. Here I have added the filter by price. So if a person wants to buy like they want to buy the product on the base of price, they can easily select the price, like whatever the price they are comfortable, and the product will display as per the price. And you can go on and you can check. And footer section is same. And let's go to the man section. So here you will find all the product related to man, same for the women's. If you go, you can find all the products related to women's. Accessories, if you go on the accessories section, you will find same accessories. And from here you can able to change the, you can able to sort like popularity wise, average rating, latest rating, pricing. So you can able to easily categorize it on the base of pricing. So as you can see, I have tried the latest, so all the product which is latest I'm getting right up here. So you can do a lot of things. And if you go to the account section, so like if anybody comes to your website and wants to create your accounts, so they can create here by entry. If they have already an account, they can easily log in here, and if they want to create, they can do it by here. And about section I have added, so you can easily discuss. And so this is the about section which I have included. So as you can see, you can talk about your brand, what you do, you can talk about your teams, and you can show that who are the founders of your website. What, a lot of things you can do, it's all up to you, and it's fully customizable. And here I try to promote the social media icons like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Google Plus. And again, I'm just promoting this, that, because this is the main important things. Like people are very concerned about the shipping, best quality, offers, and payment. So I try to display this one. If you go to the contact, so wait, let me click on this. Wait, and this is how the contact page is going to look. You can write down the contact informations. Here is the, like if they have any query, they can write their name, subject, email, and they can easily send the message. So you will get the message in your backend or in your email, and if they want to contact you, they can easily call you from here. So this is what pretty much for this, the entire website functionality. So now let me show you that if I want to buy a product, then how anybody can do that. So let me go to the store sections, and for example, if I want to purchase this garment, this jeans, so I will simply click on this here, and this is the product page. As you can see, it's very beautifully displayed. This product page is displaying, the people can easily zoom and you can check everything. And as you can see, this is the, you can easily display or hide. This is the category, the name of the product, the price, and the descriptions. If anybody wants to add to their cart, they can easily add, or they can increase the number and decrease the number by just clicking on this. This is the category, and here you can display the like here, this is the description of the product, the main description which you're going to add. And this is some additional information about the product which you're going to include, like about the color. Like if you have this jeans in multiple color, so you can do that as well. Like if I'm having blue, gray, so you can do that as well. Sizes, so you can display the product. If you scroll down, you can find some related product to that. So when you upload any product into your system, you categorize on the base of, like this is for women, this is for man, so you can display on the base of related product. You can easily customize this one also. And again, I'm displaying the same footer section. So if I want to buy this product, I will simply click on add to cart and just wait. And as you can see, the product is already added to my cart. I will, as you can see, the price is here, and you can, if you over on this bag, you can find that how many clothings, how many like products you have in your cart. If I want to view the cart, I can simply click here, and this is my cart page. And the reason why I'm getting this option, because I have not just installed the software which may help you to make the transactions. So let me take you to my own website, daulathussain.com, and I will show you that how you can make the transaction on your own website, which you can do in this website also. So let me open daulathussain.com. This is my website. So this is my website. If you want to know anything about the health and nutrition and about the workout, you can come and you can find a lot of valuable tutorials and everything's and all. You can find, you can come and you can check everything by yourself. So let me go to the shop page. Let's go to the gym equipment and just wait. And this is the pop-up. So make sure to get this diet book if you want. And let me select this product. So suppose, let me cut this off. If I want to take this products, like if I, which color I want to choose, I will simply pick that color. So I will go with black is in stock. I will want to take one piece, and I will add to cart. Just wait. So as you can see, the product is successfully added to my cart. So I will simply click on view card, and ta-da, like here This is added to my card, and this is the details. Like my total is itna, like 599. The shipping is free. This is my address. If I want to change the address, I can do that because I'm already logged in into my account. If you haven't logged in, it will ask you to create an account. You can create and you can set everything by yourself. So let me click on proceed to checkout, and this is the checkout page you will get. Like you can have to fill out all the details like name, company name, like it's all you have to fill it out. And if you have any extra note you want to give to the seller, you can write your note here and they will contact you as per that. So right now I'm having two payments gateway on this website, one cash on delivery and through credit card on, and you can add multiple payment gateway. Like you can add UPI, you can add Paytm, credit card, debit card. As you can see, I have credit card and payment options, so you can select any one of these and you can make your payment, which is I'm not going to do because why I take and do the payment to my own self. So this is how this website work. It's going to be have all the same feature. It's fully customizable. So if you want to sell your own product, if you are selling any kind of product, you must have your own website, and that way it will help you to grow your brand. It's good that you are selling on other marketplaces like Amazon, Flipkart, but if you have your own website, it will help you to grow in a much better way. So I hope you have liked this video. It's very easy, it's fully customizable, and if you want that I would help you to build this website, please let me know. Then I would love to help you out in building this website. I'm going to create exact website, and you can tell me that what are the requirements you want, what are the feature and functionality you want on your website, so I will help you in that as well. So I will provide my contact details on the top bar, which you can see. If you are interested, contact me. I would love to help you out in building this website. So that's it in this video. I hope you have enjoyed. Do let me know what do you think about it, and if you have any question, any doubt in this video, so do let me know. I would love to answer you. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.